Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Welcome to today's video. In recent years, the consumption of red meat has sparked a controversial debate within the realm of nutrition and health. From the rise of carnivore diets to concerns about the potential risks of red meat on heart disease and diabetes, understanding the intricate relationship between these factors is crucial for making informed dietary choices. The concept of a carnivore diet, which primarily consists of animal-based foods such as meat, fish, and poultry, has gained popularity among individuals seeking weight loss, improved energy levels, and overall health benefits. Proponents of this diet claim that it can lead to increased satiety, better blood sugar control, and reduced inflammation. However, critics argue that a diet high in red meat may pose risks such as elevated cholesterol levels, increased risk of heart disease, and potential links to diabetes. Exploring the connection between red meat consumption, heart disease, and diabetes is essential for promoting optimal health outcomes. Research suggests that excessive intake of red meat, mainly processed varieties, may contribute to the development of cardiovascular issues and metabolic disorders. By delving into how red meat impacts these conditions, individuals can make informed decisions about their dietary habits and overall well-being. This discussion provides a balanced and informative perspective on the complex interplay between red meat, the carnivore diet, heart disease, and diabetes. Viewers can better understand how their dietary choices may influence their health outcomes by examining the potential benefits and risks associated with red meat consumption. Stay tuned as we navigate through the nuances of this contentious topic and empower you to make educated decisions about your diet and lifestyle. Exploring red meat consumption. Red meat, including beef, pork, and lamb, is a rich source of essential nutrients vital in maintaining overall health and well-being. When consumed in moderation and as part of a balanced diet, red meat can offer numerous benefits while posing potential drawbacks that warrant consideration. One of the critical advantages of red meat is its high protein content, which is essential for muscle growth, repair, and overall body function. Additionally, red meat is a significant source of heme iron, which is more readily absorbed by the body than non-heme iron found in plant-based foods. Iron is crucial for oxygen transport, energy production, and immune function, making red meat a valuable dietary component for individuals at risk of iron deficiency. However, concerns have been raised regarding red meat's saturated fats and cholesterol and their potential impact on heart health. Diets high in saturated fats have been linked to an increased risk of cardiovascular disease. At the same time, excessive cholesterol intake may contribute to the development of atherosclerosis and other heart-related conditions. It is essential to be mindful of portion sizes and opt for lean cuts of red meat to minimize saturated fat intake and promote heart health. Incorporating red meat into a healthy diet requires a balanced approach emphasizing moderation and variety. While red meat can provide essential nutrients, including protein, iron, zinc, and B vitamins, limiting consumption and diversifying protein sources to include plant-based options such as legumes, nuts, and seeds is advisable. By incorporating various foods into your diet and practicing portion control, you can enjoy the benefits of red meat while mitigating potential risks associated with excessive intake. Stay tuned for practical tips on incorporating red meat into a nutritious diet. The carnivore diet debate. The carnivore diet, characterized by its exclusive focus on animal-based foods and the complete exclusion of plant-based foods, has garnered attention for its potential health effects and controversial nature. Advocates of the carnivore diet tout benefits such as weight loss, improved digestion, and increased energy levels. At the same time, critics raise concerns about nutrient deficiencies, long-term sustainability, and potential health risks associated with this dietary approach. At the core of the carnivore diet is the principle of consuming only animal-derived foods, including meat, fish, poultry, and animal fats, while eliminating all plant-based foods such as fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. Proponents of the carnivore diet argue that removing potentially inflammatory plant foods, individuals may experience relief from digestive issues, autoimmune conditions, and other health concerns. The emphasis on animal proteins and fats is believed to provide satiety, stabilize blood sugar levels, and support metabolic function. Supporters of the carnivore diet often report benefits such as rapid weight loss, reduced inflammation, and improved mental clarity. Some individuals claim to experience enhanced physical performance and cognitive function on a carnivorous eating regimen by eliminating carbohydrates and plant-based compounds that may trigger sensitivities or allergies. Additionally, proponents suggest that the high bioavailability of nutrients in animal foods can address deficiencies and promote overall well-being. However, concerns have been raised regarding the potential drawbacks of the carnivore diet, including nutrient deficiencies, particularly in vitamins, minerals, and fiber typically found in plant foods. Long-term adherence to a diet without plant-based nutrients may increase the risk of micronutrient imbalances and compromise overall health. Additionally, the sustainability of a diet reliant solely on animal products raises ethical and environmental considerations and potential health risks associated with excessive intake of saturated fats and cholesterol. As we delve deeper into the carnivore diet debate, we will explore the scientific evidence, personal experiences, and expert opinions surrounding this controversial dietary approach. Stay tuned for a comprehensive analysis of the carnivore diet's impact on health and well-being as we navigate through the complexities of this polarizing topic. Impact on heart disease. The relationship between red meat consumption and its effect on heart disease and cardiovascular health has been a topic of ongoing debate and research. Understanding the role of saturated fats, cholesterol, and heme iron in red meat in contributing to heart disease risk is essential for making informed dietary choices that promote heart health. Saturated fats and dietary cholesterol found in red meat have long been associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Diets high in saturated fats can raise levels of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, which can contribute to the buildup of plaque in the arteries and increase the risk of cardiovascular events such as heart attacks and strokes. Additionally, heme iron, predominantly found in red meat, has been linked to oxidative stress and inflammation, which are critical factors in the development of cardiovascular diseases. Numerous studies and research findings have explored the association between red meat intake and heart health outcomes. While some studies suggest a positive correlation between high red meat consumption and an elevated risk of heart disease, others have found conflicting results or identified potential confounding factors that may influence the relationship. When interpreting research on red meat and heart disease risk, it is essential to consider the quality of the red meat consumed, cooking methods, overall dietary patterns, and individual health factors. Evidence-based recommendations emphasize moderation, variety, and balance to reduce the risk of heart disease while including red meat in the diet. Additionally, practicing portion control, choosing healthier cooking methods like grilling or baking, and maintaining a well-rounded diet rich in fiber, antioxidants, and heart-healthy fats can support cardiovascular wellness while enjoying red meat as part of a balanced diet. Stay tuned for practical tips on prioritizing heart health while incorporating red meat into a heart-smart diet. Link to diabetes. The potential link between red meat consumption, diabetes, and blood sugar control has been a subject of interest in nutrition and health. The inflammatory properties of specific components in red meat and the potential impact on gut microbiota may also play a role in disrupting metabolic processes related to blood sugar regulation. Processed meats, such as bacon, sausage, and deli meats, have been specifically linked to an increased risk of type 2 diabetes due to their high sodium, nitrate, and preservative content. Limiting the intake of processed meats and opting for lean cuts of red meat can mitigate these risks and support better blood sugar control. Monitoring portion sizes, practicing mindful eating, and regular physical activity can also aid blood sugar management and overall metabolic health. Stay tuned for more insights on optimizing blood sugar levels and incorporating red meat into a diabetes-friendly diet. The main arguments for and against red meat consumption and the carnivore diet reveal various perspectives on the benefits and risks of these dietary approaches. While red meat can provide essential nutrients and support overall health when consumed in moderation and as part of a balanced diet, concerns about saturated fats, cholesterol, and potential health risks underscore the importance of mindful consumption and dietary diversity. Highlighting the importance of making informed dietary choices based on individual health needs and preferences emphasizes the value of personalized nutrition approaches that consider factors such as metabolic health, dietary restrictions, and ethical considerations. Encouraging viewers to further research and consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice reinforces the notion that health is a multifaceted journey that requires ongoing education, self-awareness, and collaboration with experts in the field. We invite viewers to engage with the content by subscribing, liking, and sharing the video to foster a community of learning and dialogue. Your participation and feedback are invaluable in shaping future discussions and providing insights that empower individuals to make informed choices for their health and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey of exploration and discovery.